Hello, everybody. Uh, Welcome to this new video short, which is I want to talk about ways of getting a free graphic design or logo design or any other design you want to design, like logo, brochure, and the rest of it like that. So let's get started with a website called Canva, canva.com. So this is canva.com. When you come to here, you can you just come, you if you have an account, you log in here. If you don't have, to get started, you sign up here. You click here to sign up. But before that, let me show you all the things you can get on Canva. You can design flyers, you can design resume, brochure, invitation, business card, presentation. Let's see all. Oh, what goes wrong here? Let's get back to see. Okay, so from here you can see all what it does. This is what you can design. You can design logos, flyers, cards, posters, visual background, and many other like that. So you can just choose from all these design. So you cannot design here without signing up. All you have to do is to go there and sign up. Likewise, you have Snapper. This is Snapper. This is You also have to go and sign up for Snapper and get started for free. Don't need any other thing. You can create any of your graphic here. Likewise that. After you have done that, you can just go. After you have done that, then you can just design any other thing you have wanted to design. You edit and do that. From that place, you can just go to some other site where you can just offer where you can offer your service, which you have the project you have done on either Snapper or Canva, and bring it to some freelance websites like Fiverr, like Guru, like Guru.com, like Freelancer.com, like what is it called? People per hour, and many others like that. It depends on which one, or Upwork. So you can just bring your work there and submit, or you just tell people that this is what you do. You design logo and every other thing. Then when you get customer, you can just come down here and design a logo for them. So let me sign up and see how it works. So from snapper.com, click on get started, and you submit your name and give my name here. Email, on password. Then you click on I'm not a robot. Then you click get started. Oh, the emails already existed. So let me check if I've already. Okay, email. Okay, that means I've joined for long and I didn't recognize that. I didn't realize that. Let me log in and see. Yeah. This is my account. I thought I've done this kind of video before to do this thing. So when you come here, you can just come to any of these places for banners, for any things you want to do. Let us go for headers, banners. Let us go for logos. Let's see, ebook, thumbnail, create graphic. Let's see, create graphic. Let's see. Let's choose. You have to choose one of these. Then let's choose YouTube channel ads, which is under header and banner. I'll just choose this one. Then when you come here, you choose any of these you can use for your YouTube channel, like the logo. Then you can just design it, or if you have a already made logo, you can just bring it here and you just upload it, create from scratch, or you design your own. This is the template you can get from here. So let us see the very best template we can use. Let's see, entertainment. Let's see. Still loading. Okay, let's choose this. Let's choose this. Yes, it's loading. So when you get here, you can just edit the text, edit everything, the effect, the graphic and shapes. It depends on you what you wanted here. If you want to do that, just click. So it highlighted it. Then if you want to, then double click, then you type whatever you want to type on it. Likewise, the second one, you double click and you type whatever you want to type on it. And if you want to check the background, just come here and click the background. Then whatever you want for the background, or you say, let's say sports. You see, just choose any one you feel like. Let's see. So the background is changed. Likewise with this one. So you just adjust whatever you want to adjust. After you finish, you just come to download here and click on download. Then it will download on your computer system. Likewise, when you are doing that to canva.com, the same thing applies to canva.com. You just do it that way. Then you have your video or your template and you download it and you upload it for your customer or whatever you wanted to use it for. If you know so that is all for this video. Please click on the subscribe button and the notification, so that when I'm having another video, I can just get you can just get the notification and look all these beautiful videos I'll be making. Thank you. I expect you to click the subscribe button and the notification. Thank you very much. Bye.